Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Daisha, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now because you are never gonna want to go back. Okay, so in today's video, we will be discussing this game changer wig that I have on right now. Yes, it is a wig. This is not my real hair. HerGivenHair sent me this beautiful wig, you guys. I have been a fan of this company for years, even in my college years. I love HerGivenHair. I've bought their clip-ins, I have bought their bundles, and I've bought wigs from them in the past. So although they did gift me this wig, I am literally here to tell you guys they are legit. I have no complaints ever about their company. So when they shared this half wig with me, I was just so excited to do a review on it and let you guys know my thoughts. The wig I'm wearing right now is actually a 3-in-1 half wig in a coily. So it's a coily 3-in-1 half wig. I have manipulated it a bit, so it is an old twist out. I've had this twist out in for about a week. So it still looks amazing. Like even with this twist out, it literally looks like my real hair. Like I can't get over that. If you don't feel like manipulating your own natural hair and you want to do a bomb twist out, braid out, flexi rods, whatever, and you want a full beautiful wig that mimics your natural hair, y'all, this is the wig. I'm literally going to be wearing this wig for all the holiday occasions coming up. I'm literally not playing. Don't forget to visit HerGivenHair's website, hergivenhair.com. You can use my discount code DaishaCS for $30 off of your purchase. Like I said, you guys, we are in holiday season, so this is the perfect opportunity to get yourself a beautiful, 100% human, affordable wig for the holidays. I'm gonna insert a clip where I'm giving you guys an unboxing and a first look of my reaction with this hair. But before we jump into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I wanna know if you guys would buy this wig or not, if it's a yay, nay, girl, absolutely not, or I love it so much. So just let me know what you guys are thinking, what you're feeling, and yeah, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, let's get right into this unboxing snippet. We've got a cute letter from Amara La Negra looking fabulous as ever in her signature afro. And then we also have a wig instruction booklet in here as well, which I thought was very cool. Some extra combs you can sew onto the wig as well, just in case you want some extra security. And then it also comes with a satin bag as well. That way you can safely store your wig in there, which I also love to keep that hair protected. As you guys can see, the texture is very tight coils. The texture of this hair is actually 3C to 4A, but my hair is 4C and it blended nicely. So do what you will with that information. And also, you guys, it didn't have any funny smell to it. It smelled perfectly fine. As I was running my hands through the hair, it didn't shed like any, just weird shedding. There was none of that. And it also felt very soft. So loved all of that. This wig is called the Coily 3-in-1 half wig. It is 16 inches in length and weighs about 160 grams and features a machine-made weft that is super durable. And it also has combs on the side just to keep everything nice and secured on your head. And you guys, this is my favorite part right here, is this drawstring. I'll tell you what, that thing ain't going nowhere, baby. So yes, this is the full wig right here. I am so excited for you guys to see the next clip where I actually try it on. I got my wig cap on. I parted my hair down the middle and I have my twists, 3 twists on each side. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I haven't done anything to this wig. It is literally just straight out the pack. I have, pulled the curls a bit, but I mean, it has not been manipulated. I haven't put any water on it. Excuse me. I haven't done any of that to it. So I'm just gonna slap it on my head. It has the combs on here as well. So I'm just gonna place this on. And y'all, my hair is very short right now. I mean, it's teeny weeny afro. So, and I just pulled the little the drawstring in the back. I'm adjusting the combs right now so I can make it tighter. I'm just gonna take this piece right here and tuck it under. Y'all, it already looks so good. Shut up. 5, 6, 7, 8. I got hair and clean underwear. Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. Hey, and I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my edges back. I got my edges back. Yeah, it's so, like, look at that. No product, I haven't done anything. That looks so good. I haven't even untwisted my little twigglies yet. Comment, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. First look. First look. Okay, so now I'm about to untwist my hair real fast. And I did these twists. I washed my hair today and did these twists earlier today, so I hope they're dry by now. But I mean, I feel like it's gonna blend regardless. Look at that. Separate it a bit. Play with it a little bit in the front. I don't know, y'all. It looks pretty good. Like, I went ahead and kind of tucked, because my hair is shorter. It is definitely a bit shorter, a lot shorter. This is 16 inches and my hair is giving 2. So I just kind of tucked it a little bit. But I mean, from the part, it blends pretty nicely. I feel like it's so secure, it's not going anywhere. Here's the side. Other side. Yeah, I love it. I can't wait to do like twist outs with this hair and actually wash it. I have bought HerGivenHair products before. I use the same hair products that I use on my own hair, natural hair products, on their clip-ins, bundles. If you buy them, I have bought a wig in the past, the kinky wigs, and it worked beautifully. It came out gorgeous. So I can't wait to do a twist out on this wig. I think it's gonna look even more amazing. And I feel like it blends very nicely. I will be wearing it to work in the morning. Yeah. You guys tell me what you think in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. I personally feel like I could pass this off as my own hair, grown straight out the scalp. Like, what do you mean? Oh, thanks so much. Oh, you didn't ask? Oh, yeah, this is my hair. Yeah. It's giving CoverGirl. Yeah, y'all really did that. HerGivenHair. I mean, this is a beautiful wig. By the way, you guys, you could use my discount code DaishaCS for $30 off of your purchase. So yes, definitely save you some money and use my discount code for $30 off, DaishaCS. And you know what, y'all? Since it's the holidays coming up, this is definitely a great holiday, make it big, holiday, go big or go home wig. Like, this is perfect for the holidays. I asked my dad and he said it looks really, really natural, so, and he not gonna lie to me. Yeah. Yes, y'all, as you can see, I was feeling myself a little too much, but I decided to go ahead and do a twist out on this wig. This was honestly like a really lazy twist out. I had work in the morning and it was kind of late. So I just used some water from the sink. I did not have a spray bottle. I was so mad. But yeah, I just used some water from the sink and some twisting butter. from one of my favorite natural hair products. You can honestly use any natural hair products that you want, y'all. Whatever that you like to use on your natural hair, you can use it on this wig or any other wig that you buy from HerGivenHair. It literally acts as if it is your natural hair. So that's the great thing I love about this company. And if you have short hair like me and you're just in that phase right now where you don't want to wear your short hair because it's just kind of awkward for me personally, so that's why I love this company so much, because they offer extensions, clip-ins, and wigs that seamlessly blend with your natural hair. So I love that. And you can still feel really confident and cute while your hair grows underneath. So yes, ladies, this is always a go-to for me personally when it comes to my natural hair. I also wanted to show you guys the aftermath of combing through this entire wig. The shedding was very minimal, so I just wanted to give you guys a visual of how much hair I lost from the wig. And then I also have my own hair in this comb as well. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that so you could see how much shedding I actually had. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. I will show you guys what the finished twist out will look like in the morning. Hopefully it turns out really well because I gotta go to work. So I don't have any other hair options, so it better turn out right. I'll see y'all in the morning. And you guys, this is the finished look. In the morning, I undid my twist out. It was actually still a little wet, but it turned out really good still, so I was happy. I threw on a headband because I didn't feel like dealing with my hair because I had to quickly get on the road. But yeah, I loved it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this wig and loved it as much as I did. If you plan on purchasing this hair, and I know you will, girl, because it looks so good, don't forget to use my discount code DaciaCS for $30 off of your purchase. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty and hair content. Let me know what you think in the comments about this hair, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!